In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see history in Jira. If you've ever found yourself needing to backtrack and observe changes within a Jira project, this guide is for you. It's always helpful to know how to navigate through Jira's history, especially when you want to trace back certain changes or activities within your projects. Let's dive right in. To start off, make sure you are on your Jira homepage. Now, when you find yourself on this main page, you want to ensure that you're working in the right context. This step is crucial because Jira may have multiple workspaces, and viewing the wrong one could easily lead to confusion. From your Jira homepage, take a moment to locate and select the workspace where you'd like to see the history. This ensures you're focusing on the correct projects and tasks within the correct workspace. Once you have selected the desired workspace, your next action is to click on the option that says All Work. This will guide you to a comprehensive display of all tasks, issues, or tickets that are currently present within your workspace. Clicking on All Work offers a broad perspective, giving you some context on what you'll be viewing. Now it's time to hone in on specifics. Within this overview, identify and click on the issue that you're interested in examining the history for. This is a critical step because each issue in Jira can have its own unique history, including all the changes that have been made to it. By clicking an issue, you gain access not only to its current details, but also to its historical revisions. Upon opening the issue, scroll down through the page. As you move further down, keep an eye out for a section that specifically denotes history. Clicking on the History tab within the Issue view will unveil all the changes that have occurred for the selected item. Here, you'll be able to see details such as who made the changes and precisely what alterations were made, offering a timeline of activities and edits. Finally, within this tab, you should be able to see all the historical data associated with the issue. This historical view can be incredibly informative, whether for auditing purposes, debugging, or simply staying updated with what's changed over time. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to view history in Jira. Navigating Jira's history feature provides invaluable insights into the trajectory of a project, allowing you to stay informed and in control. Whether you're managing a small task or a large-scale project, keeping history checks regularly could aid in maintaining clarity and continuity in your workflows. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and I hope you found this demonstration clear and useful for your project management needs in Jira.